I will show you how to delete Roblox account permanently. Open your Chrome. Type in Search Roblox Support. Click this web. After that, you will go directly to the web page. On this page, there is a lot of data that must be filled in. Your username has been written according to your ID. Fill in the name, email, and other sections. Select what device you use. Fill in the Help category. Section is Delete Account, and explain why you're deleting your account. After that, click Continue. Congratulations, you have deleted your account.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.